It's the Wandering Canucks, and we were sitting here in Bahamas, and there was a rain cloud off to the distance. But more interesting is that there's actually a water spout. Not too sure how well you can see this, but kind of like a miniature tornado pulling the water up into the cloud instead of it raining out of the cloud. Unusual to see these. Hope there's no little boats in that vicinity. That could be pretty scary. Looks like it's getting wider at its base. As far away as we are, I'm glad I'm not any closer, that's for darn sure. Amazing to watch this thing. Well, Mother Nature always leaves us wondering. It's the Wandering Canucks. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel. Travel with us when you can't travel yourself. Signing out.